So have you ever wondered if baking powder can bleach your teeth? Well, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm here to explain to you on, yes, how it can bleach your teeth. With baking powder, there is baking brush your teeth with it for about 1 to 2 minutes or even a little bit longer if you can. And then that way it's going to start foaming, and the baking soda will actually start to whiten your teeth. It'll remove the stains from your teeth. It'll get in between the crevices of your teeth and where your microscopic tubules are at on your teeth, and then kind of just really eat away at the stains. And then once after you're done, you just really make sure that you rinse your mouth out really good with water to flush out all of the baking powder off from the microtubules, and then the liquid and the moisture will settle back into your teeth, and then the reflection of the light, that's where you see the actual brightness of your teeth and the difference from it. So if you've ever wondered about if baking powder can bleach your teeth, yes, it can. And once again, my name is Michelle, and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you on how baking powder can bleach your teeth.